Welcome to the first ever Dearborn After Work, a new horizon in professional networking and innovation. Join us Memorial Day Monday, May 27th at the iconic Diwan Cafe in the bustling heart of Dearborn.
It's gonna be amazing because you'll have an opportunity to meet people you never met before. You get a chance to network, you get a chance to see other business people. And I think it's gonna be a great time for you to get involved.
In the Dearborn After Work initiative, I expect people to get several elements of what it means to be effective at communicating, how to communicate effectively in a personal and a professional setting.
Best ways to uplift each other and grow our businesses together and build bridges with one another.
How to draw people in, how to connect with people, how to inspire, how to uplift people.
I really wanted to sponsor in this event with Dearborn After Work. By building bridges, we can do that by effective communication. And I think these events are the best way to initiate that.
Proudly sponsored by IMCAN Leadership Development, we're committed to fostering growth and leadership in our community.
Hi, I'm Nagam Al-Samari, CEO of IMCAN Leadership Development, and I'm happy to tell you that I'm the host organizing the Dearborn After Work event. We'll be bringing brightest minds here in leadership in Dearborn for insightful information, conversation, and connection, and we'll hope to see you there.
Thank you to our wonderful major sponsors, Diwan Cafe and Desserts by Dua. This event is poised to be a landmark gathering for networking and innovation. Whether you're seeking to enrich your career, expand your network, find fresh perspective, or just looking to enjoy an evening with peers, the Dearborn After Work is the place to be. Secure your spot today by registering at www.dearbornafterwork.com.